I'm going to show you some of the rain we got down here in Texas on, I don't know the exact date, but July 2012. Here's some very good footage. Those are my brothers, if you could see them. Well, oh God, our yard's flooding.
I know. Over flooding.
Dang.
When I ran out of the garage, I went, Jill, look, there's one on top. No, seriously.
Oh my God.
I know, it's over flooding. I'm gonna go to the neighbor's yard and fill it up.
We're filling up rainwater in our Texas drought. So we have water to water the plants with. And if we actually do go into a drought without water.
I'm hiring you to be captain of the rainwater club.
Cool. So this is a great idea. Get apple juice jugs, milk cartons, milk jugs, whatever you can. Fill them up with rainwater every time it rains. And then when you don't have enough rain and your plants are dying, just water them with rainwater. We get it off our roof, but we don't ever drink it. See? Bye-bye.